Well, it's about 10:30 a.m. now. I've collected a set of eggs and I'm back to collect the other set. They actually lay more in the morning. Yeah. The size of these eggs have increased because they started laying about 4 months now. Yeah, about 4 months now, and so the sizes have increased. Even get large size, although I have majority of them as medium sizes, but I still get large sizes. Yeah, about 92 to 93% of them are currently laying. They lay every day. Yeah. Okay, so I think that is it for now. I'll be back around 2 p.m. or 2:30 p.m. to collect another set of eggs they've laid. Yeah, not all of them have laid so far, but majority of them have laid now. A few of the other at 2 p.m. I'll be collecting just a few.